All right, I bring you back because it done. Don't it look good? I tell you, I can't believe it. Welcome back. As you can see, we're in the video layer. And the reason why I bring you in here first is to tell you about the video footage that was lost. I had the camera propped in a spot to catch the pool wall going up and all that good stuff, snapping everything together, showing the full process. The camera fell down and I got a lot of this. A lot of grass. And so I lost all that footage, every bit of it. And so I was able to salvage some footage out of other little parts. And so that's what's going to be on this. There's a lot of videos already on YouTube showing people putting the sidewalls up around. Only thing I would say with this particular type of pool that's different than almost all those videos is that on this type of pool, it's a resin pool and it's made for salt water use, is that everything snaps together. There's only a couple places that there's any screws. One place is on the vertical supports. There's one screw at the bottom. So the vertical supports just snaps into that bottom plate. And you just take there's one screw goes in the bottom that holds that together. The top part of that post just snaps over the wall. So if you buy this pool online, it's super simple. Once you get it, take it out of the box and you'll see how easy this thing just snaps together. I do have a clip on putting the very top J-rail in. I got a little one on that and the caps and stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of put all that in there. It's gonna be kind of disjointed. There's nothing I can do about it. I lost the wall and everything coming up. It would have been really good to see because it's just me, my wife, and my middle child put this thing up. And that's putting the liner in and everything. I wish you could have seen how tight the liner was initially, but what I can tell you is the longer the sun hit it, the better it got. The hotter it got, the more it loosened up. And so the first time we put it on, it was extremely tight. It just bound in the walls. As it sat out there in the heat, got to the middle of the day, it stretched a lot. This liner can stretch a lot, but word of caution, it needs to be hot. And the more sunlight it gets, the better it is. It's just easier to work. Oh, and one last thing. This is the pool that we did is the Aqua Leader. And here's the DVD. I hope that kind of zooms in on that for you. This informational DVD that comes with it is pure junk. I tried to play it in about 4 different DVD players, computers, laptops, new ones, old ones, Blu-ray ones, non-Blu-ray ones. It never worked. Complete trash. There's no instruction, there's no owner's manual that comes with this pool. So if you buy this pool, just be expected that you're going to have to just, you can watch this video, get some tips, but don't count on this. This is an F-. I give them an F- on that. That's the only negative thing so far I can really say about the pool. All right, we're putting the last J-rail in to the pool, on top of the pool. So these go on really easy. They really just snap down. There's a groove right there. I hope that comes in good. And it just goes right on top of the pool. But the reason why I'm showing you this one is because you have to do a cutout. You have to notch this out. So you see this little notch here? You have to notch it out for here, where the pool walls come together, okay? So where the pool walls come together, that's where you gotta notch it out. So whenever you set this on there, bam, just like that. So hold on and I'll see if I can't catch me doing it. Here we go. All right, there we go. Bammo. Oh, I was off just a hair, just a hair. Not bad though. It'll still push down, it'll still hold on. So that turned out really well. Just thought I'd show you that. In the instructions, they'll say, hey, get a box blade or something like that. You're not gonna cut that with a box blade, okay? I used one of my square Pro Saws and just took care of business. So let me just show you the last little thing here. When you're doing the caps, it's pretty simple. When you put one on, you put in the first screw first, then do the same thing over on the other one. Put just this screw in. Then once this one's home, you can put this one, and you come back to this one. And so then all the side rails up. And so you can see, ooh, don't that look pretty? The cap piece. Now the cap is very easy to put on, it snaps. So your little tab right here goes right here into the post. So you kind of just insert it, kind of put it into there like this. You have to push down, get past that. It's in, just like that, okay? Now this part, the pull edge part, has these two tips here and here, and these two little slide tongues that slide into this. So you just go up under the pull edge, okay, like that. So I kind of slide it in, pull it over, then I put weight against this part right here, and then just slide together. And you'll hear it kind of snap. There, nice. It's really tight. It's been hot all day, 2 days in a row. But we did it, you know, we got it done. I think the hot weather really helped us a lot, to be honest with you, with, sorry about that, with the heat hitting that liner and everything, causing it to stretch more. I think it's made the resin plastic caps more pliable. So I think it really has worked in our favor. It's a lot of work, but seeing the kids enjoy it, that's cool. So I want to square this up, tamp it down. I moved over 2 of those 4x4, 4-inch thick, 14 inches wide concrete pads. These bad boys heavy too. And so my plan is to level this up and then get them on there. That should make a good base for the pump and the sand filter. Just opened the box to the sand filter. Here it is. This is how it comes. Got 2 hoses there. The filter itself. In it, do not discard. Okay, yeah, that protects it from getting sand when you pour sand in that, so that's really why you want to hold on to that. There's the main pipe and the little fingers. That's where the water comes through, bulbs out at the bottom of those little fingers when it comes in from the pool, and then sand's in between here. Then it has to come back up to the outport. And then let me see, there should be a drain. Right there's the drain. Okay, all right, very good. Oh look, okay, it did come with a stand for the pump and the filter. What's in this box? Let's take a look. Let me put y'all down for just a second. Nothing like opening a box. You don't know what's in it. Optional drain plug. This is the head control unit right here. Bammo. All right. And this should be the hardware to attach it with. It is. Hardware to attach it with, the seal, and there's that's the head unit, and this is the base Come with some tubing. All the clamps and hoses, hose clamps, connections, and everything that we're going to need. That's pretty awesome. I didn't know it would come with all that. I was expecting the bare minimum. So if you get this Hayward E-Series, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get just like everything you need to install this bad boy. That is very unusual. Usually it's never like that. All right, let's see if this will fit on what I got set up here. Like a glove. All right, welcome back. Yes, it's a different day. Battery died yesterday while I was installing the intake and the return. They're both in. How do you do that? There's several really good videos already on the tube here. Not by me, but by other people that explain this, showed this in excellent detail. Just do a little search, you can find that part right there. Here is the sand filter as I got it set up right now. I got the pump, the filter, I got all that set up. And I got the return tubing and everything set up. I got the automatic chlorinator put in there, set up. And I got the out to the return. All right, just like that, got it all done. So take a quick look at this. We got the automatic chlorinator in line. Make sure it says flow. You can see it right here that you're pointing. That's the way that the water's going, okay? The inline is done, and so I had to get 2 of these 45s to bring the drain in line with the pump. So get a better look at it like that. That took the most time right there by far. At all of this, it's be time to build a deck on the back side. That's going to be a whole lot more fun than this was. This was a lot of hard work, no doubt. But thank you for watching, and hang in there, partners.